Okay, well, a very good morning, good afternoon, or good evening to you, wherever you happen to be in the world today. As always, I hope you're fit and well. And it's Nick here, or um, speaking to you. And yesterday, I put a pending trade in on the euro dollar, and I was selling euro dollar. And today, on Friday, the 30th of January, it triggered here with this red line is here during that candle it triggered. And in just under 2 hours, we came out with 50 pips, 25 pips on each position for a total of 50 pips, which is a very nice way to end the week. Okay, so if I was trying to impress you, which I'm certainly not, in just under 2 hours, this trade made, well, these two positions made a cumulative total of 50 pips. However, it was a pending trade because way back here, and this is on the hourly candle, this is where the trade was triggered on this candle here. This is the hourly candle. And then in just under 2 hours later, it was closed out for profit. However, I missed a trade here on the spike. I didn't have enough confirmation, so I did not enter. This did not suit my entry requirements. It didn't. It was just short of the 50% Fibonacci, and there was another resistance here, which, it didn't make it. And there was only one try to get up to this level, and it didn't even reach it. So I hesitated. I was confident that if it hit certain levels, that it would retrace. So I actually put the trade on, I believe, in about this candle here. It won't show on the in the account because the only times that are recorded are the ones that are actually when it triggered. But I left the trade on, and basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 hours later, the trade triggered, and I just left it on. I wasn't even around when it triggered. So I certainly wasn't watching the screen, but I'm delighted that it did, and I had the analysis right from a fundamental point of view, which is bearish, sentiment is bearish, and the central banks are trying to lower the value of the euro against the dollar. So all those things were in our favor, which made the trade a high probability trade. So I did our homework, did a bit of planning. But although I missed the trade over here, don't get worried if you miss trades, because if you believe in the levels, just put a pending trade in, and it can. You don't have to look at the screen, and it can trigger hours later. And this is a classic example of this. In all honesty, I didn't actually think this trade would trigger because it retraced the lot down here, right down to here, and I thought, even with this move up, I didn't think it would get right up to the 1354 mark, but it did. Okay, so the technicals worked out very well there, and it's a nice way to end the week. Two positions, 25 pips each for a total of 50 pips. So I just thought, just wanted to share this with you. I hope you enjoyed it. Give me some feedback if you like, and have a good weekend. I'll speak to you next week. All the best to you.